Now just imagine that our left Vishuddhi is so bad. It is, of course, because we have never cared for our chastity. We have not respected our chastity. In India, it is not so. Women and men all respect their chastity very much. And I have asked some foreign going boys, they said that though we were doing all wrong things as they were doing, we all the time somehow knew that we were doing wrong. I said, how is it? He said, there's something like a sister's relationship. But now I can say that Indian men are also becoming just like you people. I have lost their power to keep their chastity. The men must respect their chastity because they think they do not owe anything to the chastity. And if the basis of your spiritual existence doesn't exist, you'll collapse in no time. For that, I have many a time said that put your attention on the Mother Earth. The green. Green is the color. If you put your attention into that, then you will be saved from these errors you are committing of adultery all the time. You are looking at other sisters, others' wives, others' daughters. So the relationship that is now being expressed, as you know, is of a daughter, of a sister, and of a mother, which is a very, very pure relationship. So much so that now supposing you use your brains too much, then why does your heart catch? Have you thought of that? Why does your heart catch when you use right side too much? What is the reason for catching your heart? You must understand this. It's the same thing. The relationship of, say, Shiva is to Vishnu in two ways. Firstly, Vishnu's wife, a sister, he has married. All right? Then who is the sister of Shiva? Shiva's sister is Saraswati. If you work too much on Saraswati, heart will catch. It has maryadas. This is how the intermarriages took place, by which the sisters' relationship is worked out to keep your maryadas of your chakras. If you cross that, you suddenly get into the left or the right because you have crossed the maryadas of that. Now this sisterly relationship existed in other incarnations also, like Muhammad Sahib had a sisterly relationship with actually what we have to say that his sister as such was Ali's wife, but she was born to him as a daughter. So they can be born as the daughter or as the sister. She was born as Nanaka's sister, Nanaki. She was born as the daughter of Muhammad Sahib. So it could be a sister or could be the daughter of an incarnation. But daughter and sister are innocent, pure chastity. Innocent, pure chastity. Now think of it, that those people who cannot understand the importance of chastity, how can they talk of any laws whatsoever? Because laws means maryadas. And it has the proper sense through the power of Vishnu Maya. Now you might say that not to steal anybody else's thing is also not proper because it belongs to somebody else. But who will tell you? Who is the one that is going to tell you that this is wrong? Of course, there is police, but who has told the lawmakers? Which part of the unconscious has played is the Vishnu Maya. Because as soon as you steal something, you feel guilty. In the law, it's the Vishnu Maya. Because as soon as you steal something, you feel guilty. In the law also, this word guilty is used. And guilty comes from the left side, is Vishnu Maya.